When the roar of water sounds like thunder and mist rises like divine smoke, you know you're standing before nature's temple. But which one truly deserves the crown? The cinematic legend of Kerala's Athirapalli or the raw power of Tamil Nadu's Hoganakkal? In South India, waterfalls are more than scenic wonders. They are living symbols of energy, devotion and natural artistry. Two of the most famous, Athirapalli in Kerala and Hoganakkal in Tamil Nadu, have often sparked one fascinating question. Which one is the real Bahubali waterfall? Let's begin with Athirapalli Falls, nestled in the Chalakudi River of Thrissur district, Kerala. Rising nearly 80 feet high and 330 feet wide, Athirapalli is often called the Niagara of India. It's surrounded by dense Sholayar forests, home to hornbills, elephants and hidden trekking trails. What makes it cinematic, however, is its ethereal beauty, cascading white water framed by lush green valleys. This is the exact waterfall where S.S. Rajamouli's Bahubali opened with its iconic scene, the heroic baby held under the roaring falls. That single frame immortalized Athirapalli on screen forever. The location has also appeared in films like Ravan, Punnagai Mannan and Guru, making it Kerala's most photographed natural wonder. But beyond its cinematic fame, Athirapalli has a tranquil rhythm, the gentle hum of water, the sacredness of untouched forest, and the eco-tourism initiatives that preserve its purity. Early mornings bring golden mist, evenings echo with the calls of birds. For many, it's not just a tourist spot, it's an emotion. Now, shift east across the Western Ghats to Hoganakkal Falls, located in Dharmapuri district of Tamil Nadu. The name Hoganakkal means smoky rocks in Kannada, and the name fits perfectly. Here, the mighty river Kaveri crashes through a series of narrow gorges, creating clouds of spray that look like drifting smoke. Unlike Athirapalli's single grand curtain of water, Hoganakkal is a network of dozens of smaller falls that thunder through black granite rocks, forming a mesmerizing labyrinth of mist and motion. While Athirapalli attracts filmmakers, Hoganakkal attracts adventurers. Its coracle boats, round bamboo boats drifting between canyon walls, are a signature experience. Visitors can even see the famous oil massage stalls, traditional fish fry vendors, and the rugged life of river fishermen. The waterfall's sound can be heard from miles away, and during monsoon, it transforms into a spectacle of pure force. The locals fondly call it the Niagara of the East, just like Athirapalli, proving that both claim the same title in spirit. So, which one is the real Bahubali waterfall? If you mean the movie location, it's Athirapalli, the visual backdrop of the legendary scene. But if you mean the spirit of Bahubali, the untamed, raw, warrior-like strength of nature, then Hoganakkal holds that crown. One is cinematic grace, the other elemental power. For travelers, both are must-see destinations. Athirapalli, 70 kilometers from Kochi Airport, best visited from June to October after monsoon. Hoganakkal, 180 kilometers from Bengaluru, ideal from July to February when water levels are high but safe. Both falls remind us that South India doesn't just build temples, it's blessed with natural temples where the gods of water roar in endless rhythm.